Hi. In this video, I want to show you how to quickly start a conversation in a folder. Of course, you can always create conversations in ChatGPT and move them into the folder later, but there is an easier way to quickly start a conversation inside an existing folder. Before we start, you need to have Superpower ChatGPT installed. To get that, go to Google, search for Superpower ChatGPT, click on the first link. It will send you to this page where you can click on Add to Chrome, and it will add the extension to your browser. Once you add the extension to your browser, you can go back to ChatGPT, refresh the page, and you'll see all the features of Superpower ChatGPT being loaded inside ChatGPT. Now, one way to add conversation to folders is to just basically create a conversation, then click on the three dot menu on the conversation, click on move, and then select a folder and move the conversation into the folder. But there is another way to start a conversation in a folder. Let's say you create a new folder called new folder, and you want to start a conversation in this folder. You can just go to the folder, and then there's a button here that says start a new chat in this folder. If I click on this button, it will show me an indicator here that says starting a new chat in, and then it has the name of the folder, and I can just, let's say I'm gonna say hi, and once I do that, add the conversation will be automatically added to that folder that I started the conversation in. I'm gonna try that again. Start a new chat in this folder. It will load this page with this button here. Again, I can, if I don't want to add a conversation into the folder, I can either click on the X button here, or I can just click on the ChatGPT button here to start a conversation that is not in this folder. So that's how you start a conversation in a folder. Now, another thing you can do when you start a conversation in a folder is that you can basically go to your folder, find the folder. This is the new folder. You can set a profile for this folder. Now, profile, by profile, we are talking about the custom instruction profile that you can create in ChatGPT. With default ChatGPT, you can only create one custom instruction profile, but with Superpower ChatGPT, you can basically go to the manager, go to custom instruction profile tab right here. It will load all of your profile, and you can click on this add new profile here, and you can add as many profile as you like. As you can see, I already have 4 example profile here. I have the personal profile enabled by default, so every new conversation that I start will use the personal profile here. Now, let's say I want all the conversation in this folder, the new folder that I have here, to use a different profile, let's say the work profile. I can go here and then click on set profile, and then it's gonna show me this menu here with all of my profile, and I can enable one of these profile for my folder. I'm gonna enable the work profile here. Now I'm gonna close this. As you can see again here, personal profile is the profile that is enabled by default. Now if I go to here, and if I click on new folder, I'm gonna go to the new folder. If I click on start a chat in this folder, pay attention to the profile that we have here, the selected profile. If I click on the start a new chat here, it automatically changed the profile to work profile, because that was the profile that we set for this folder. So again, we went here, set profile, we selected work. Let's say I want the profile to be client 1. I'm gonna set client 1 here. Then I'm gonna go to the folder. Then I'm gonna say start a new chat in this folder, and it automatically changed to client one. So every new chat that I start in this folder using this button will automatically use the client one folder. Of course, you can change that after, like I can change it to personal and have a different profile, but by default, all the conversation in this folder use this profile. That's how you can, let's say you have like a client and you want a certain profile for that client. So you can have that profile here, set the profile for that folder, and every time you start a conversation in that client's folder, it will use that profile. So you don't have to worry about using that profile. I hope that helps, and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.